everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1967 Chevrolet Camaro. Fun car, guys. My buddy Scott's the one who found this car for me. I bought it from an older man out of North Carolina. He restored the car, he said, about 7 years ago. Didn't know the exact mileage on it, but he said there's not a ton of miles on the car since he restored it. Factory color combination, original Bolero red car with the factory black vinyl interior. It's got a good running 350 small block Chevy underneath the hood, 4-speed. So it is a fun car to drive. Sits good, really goes down the road nice, good performance. Just a pretty car. It's got a set of, those are 17 and 18-inch Foose wheels. It's got the cowl hood, front and rear spoilers. Car's got a good look. Good solid North Carolina body. There's a couple little blemishes you can pick at on the car, but pretty doggone nice. It's got all the SS trim on it, but I couldn't tell you if it's a real SS car, guys. Pretty paint. Of course, it's got the black hood and deck striping on it. Original glass here. You can see a little scratching in that rear glass. Rear deck spoiler. Little wax there, guys. Car's nice and straight down the sides. It's got good sound. Sorry if you're seeing that. Boys mixed a little wax in there. Pretty car. Again, original color combination. A little touch-up mark there. Does have front disc brakes. Pretty underneath the hood. Lots of chrome, polished intake, Edelbrock 4-barrel, Edelbrock Performer Air Gap intake, headers. Power steering. It's got manual disc brakes, HEI distributor, 4-speed manual trans. It's got a finned aluminum oil pan on it. Pretty car. Like I say, real nice under the hood. Slip paint. Flex mark there. The A-pillar chrome's nice, though. Actually, those look new. I'd say they replaced them. They just tore the rubber a little bit putting it in there. It's got the chrome mirrors on it. It's like newer door handles. Door rubbers are newer. You can see the door skins are nice and clean. Factory black vinyl interior. Bucket seats, console, sport wheel, Hurst shifter. Seats look good. It's only got 72,000 original miles on it. Aftermarket Sun Pro tach, factory dash, aftermarket radio, aftermarket gauges in there. Again, it's a 4-speed car. It's fun to bang the gears. No big gear in the back. It's a probably like a 323. Definitely something you can cruise. Not sure what that is. Someone's drilled something out there. Trunk's all spackle coated. Car looks nice underneath. I know they said they put new floors in it. It's nice and clean. Car looks good. Again, fun car to drive. See some little door back there, little stone pack there. Pretty car, man. Seats look good. Those definitely look like they've been repadded, refoamed, new covers. Get the LED lighting in the console. Looks like it's got a plug-in to charge your phone. Yeah, they replaced those. Looking nice. Yeah, nice little cam. Nice little cam. Again, it pulls strong, guys. Sits good. The blinker's on, Nathan. Your left blinker. Works, fuel gauge works, so the gauge is working up there. Yep. Pressure, parking brake works. Yep, parking brake works, guys. Hopefully you can see the lights. Brake lights work, turn signals work. Sounds good. Good sound. Radio works, blower motor works. Flippers work. Good car. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.